No.
Okay. Lochan, myself, Syed, and I am going to take training along with Anand and Devendra. So I am, to be honest, I am a district level player in chess. So me, Anand, and Devendra will help you to gain more knowledge in this particular chess, so that soon we may expect a chess champion named Lochan. Right, Ji? Anand and
Yeah.
Devendra Ji.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes, yes.
So you
Definitely.
can turn on the videos, all of you, please, for 2 minutes, and then we
Okay.
can have a
Okay.
good understanding. And also, Syed, do you have the software to show them the movements or something?
Yeah, actually, Ji, what we planned is we will alternate week by week. So this week Devendra will take care. Next week I will take care. So like that we plan. Right, Devendra Ji?
No, it's not like that. Like if we are available, all three can speak and we can make up to the speed, right? So it is not like that week by week we are taking.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this week
So
you carry on, bro. Anyhow, I will be in the meeting and I will I will help you. Okay. Next
Okay.
in the next week I will be take care of the major things. You can also join parallelly to help me. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
how
Sure.
to make the two players to play online? If Bhavika's son and Lochan want to play?
Yeah. So basically, like Anand sir, we need to send particular link to the
No,
other
no, no, no,
member.
bro. I have a good suggestion for this. What we can do is we can download a chess app, which is a multiplayer app. Then we will share our screen to both the players so that they can play chess in our machines, right?
Okay, can you
So if
suggest
you join in
the
the laptop means we
software?
will be having chess game, right?
Yeah. So can you, which one you suggest, Syed? Which software?
So wait, I will ping you the link, G. Just hold
Okay.
on.
Okay.
Chess.com.
Wait, I will share you the link. So there is there are two websites, G. One is chessmultiplayer.com and chesspark.com.
Okay.
Okay.
You can share it in the chat, please.
Yeah.
And in the
Okay.
meantime, Devendra, you can talk to, Bhavika's son and also Lochan. Two of you can unmute and show your videos, please. Thank you.
Okay.
Team, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, we
Yeah.
are able to see your screen.
So if you see means there we will be having apps, chess time,
Yes.
multiplayer chess. So this is also fine. And if we just install it on our mobile device, we can share our screen and then we will make the participant to work on our machine. So that is one thing. And another one is we will be having a websites like Spark Chess. So there we can play a multiplayer way as well as a single way.
Okay.
So we have to click on the tab to play,
Yeah.
practice.
Can you share your screen and show online if possible?
So I'm sharing my screen. Are you able to see my screen, G?
Yeah. Yes. You can actually share your screen so that those two can play if possible.
One minute, G.
Okay, and Lochan and Bhavika's son. What is Krish, right? Bhavika's son, Krish and Lochan.
Trish.
Yeah. How was the day one? Did you enjoy the games? It was good. Thank you. And do you want to play with two of you? Two of you want to play today? That's the plan. Krish and Lochan.
Yes, I'm very excited. Please, we are going to play this.
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah, we are going to share the screen now. You two can play 2 minutes. It is getting ready. Hi.
Okay. So before starting, can I share my screen and show something?
Yeah, please. Please,
So,
Devendra.
bro, do
Okay.
you have chess game in your laptop?
No. So I need to install the application.
Yeah, I will share you the link, bro, now.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
Share
So
share the link and
okay,
I will
okay. So
also check it out.
meanwhile, I want to ask Trish and Lochan. So what this coin is called? So let's revise the things again. So what is this coin called? Which Anand sir has explained in the previous session.
What is the name of the piece?
So I haven't written the name, so you can guess the name. If you're not able to do that, then again we'll repeat that.
What is this called? Krish and Lochan, the question is for you.
Pawn.
Yeah.
Yes, perfect. Trish, what is this called?
Pawn.
Okay, so does it come in white color and black color, right? Does it come in another color, right? Red or black, red or green?
No.
Okay.
It can also come.
So, Devendra, bro, just check your chat, bro.
Okay.
White and black.
I just
I
shared you the
have
link.
white and blue. I have white and blue. Same.
Okay.
And it can also be white and black.
Okay. So only in chess we have two colors, that is white and black, right? So you need to remember always. So this is called pawn, right? So next coin is, so what is this coin, chess coin like called?
King.
Okay, perfect. Okay, and let me show you another one. Trish, what is this called? Trish, are you able to hear me? Hello, Trish.
King.
Trish, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So what is this called? This chess coin. Or what is the name of this chess coin? You can see on the screen.
King. King.
King, right? Okay. So another one. Okay. So what is this called? The another chess coin, which you see on the screen.
It is queen.
Okay. And what is this chess coin called?
It is camel.
Okay. So basically we call bishop, right?
Yes, I forgot that what.
No, no worries, no worries. Camel is also fine. Camel is also fine. Okay. So and what is this chess? Okay. So what is this coin?
Horse. The knight.
Yeah.
It's
Okay.
horse. It's horse.
Okay.
It's horse.
Okay. And what is this piece called?
It's elephant. Elephant.
Okay. So basically in chess we called it as rook, right? Okay. So this is the
And
chessboard.
I remember.
Okay. Please go ahead.
Now I want to erase this.
Okay. So you can see on the you can see on the screen. I have a chess board up right here. So can you? So how many blocks are there in this chessboard? How many squares? Which we discussed in the last class. So how many blocks are there in this chessboard? How many squares?
64.
Okay. So how many blacks and how many whites?
32 blacks and 32 whites.
Perfect. Perfect. Okay. So let me stop share. I need to install the file. Let me stop.
When we will do versus Locha and Presh,
Okay.
which has with chess, when we will do that, with
We'll do that. Yeah.
chess,
Yeah, we'll do that. Anand sir,
uh,
we need to download that Chess Titan, right?
I'm
Chess
trying to do that.
Okay, Chess Titan, right?
Yeah, you can go ahead and download. I'm also trying.
Mhm.
mm,
Okay.
mm, mm. Can you share the screen and download?
Okay. Okay.
I want to see how you download that.
Okay. 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 So let me go to chat first. And so here you can see Chess Titan 1. So we need to click on download latest version. Okay. So it is getting downloaded. You can see. So when I click on the file, it is opening.
E, E. E, E. E, E. Cancel. Press the cancel button. Yeah, that cross button.
Anand sir, are you able to install that?
No, I'm getting some. It is network is
here.
getting failed. Yeah, some problem is there.
Okay. Syed is there or he went away?
He went away.
Okay. Okay, Anand sir, can we do on chess.com? Yeah, because on the chess.com, if both the people are having the same chess.com software like URL, then we can send the invite link and we can play the chess, right?
Yeah, I don't know how to do that. You can
I
probably.
know that. I know that.
Okay.
Okay, so can you see my screen, right? You can see my screen, right?
I'm trying to install on software. Let me see. I'm not seeing your screen. Okay.
And don't play with the screen, Lochan. Sorry, Trish. Don't play with the screen.
Yeah,
Don't
we get
scribble.
all the lines. We get all the
Yeah.
lines.
So they are scribbling the screen. Don't
do
scribble. Don't do that. Okay, here I am creating new account. Already email address exists. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So basically, Anand sir, when we click on play, right? When we click on play, so we'll click on play a friend, right? we'll click
Ah.
on play a friend, right? So here
Mhm.
you can see play a friend. So here you can see challenge link, right? So when
Okay.
I click on that challenge link, so yeah, I agree. So when I click on the challenge link, invalid game. Okay, let me. I don't know why it is
I
getting
think
error.
other person also has to be online, otherwise it is not
No,
visible.
it is not like it is not like that. It is not like that. Okay, so I am on my chess.com. Opponent Dev Session one triple line. So I will click on challenge. Okay, let me again games. Let me move to the new game again. I'll go to home. I'll click on play. I'll click play a friend.
Okay.
Okay, I'll click challenge link. Invalid game type. Why I don't know why I'm getting error. Okay, find a friend. Can you give your username, please, Anand sir?
Even I have to search actually. Let me search. Let me try to do that. Checks online.
Okay.
Let me play a game, custom game, play a friend. I had to sign up. Okay, let me sign up.
Yes, yes, please.
Google with the sign up with the Google. Okay, and yeah, new to chess. Okay, beginner. Start playing. Okay,
Okay.
and okay, I have logged in. I don't know how to do my players.
Can you show share your screen, please? I'll
Okay.
stop sharing.
Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. Play live chess, daily chess. I have logged in, and
Click on play. Okay, click on play.
yeah,
Okay, click on play a friend. Okay, play a friend. Challenge link.
invalid game type selected.
Why it is giving? Because in my organization, when we have a chess competition, so we play like this only.
Devendra.
Okay, no. Dev chess champ. Dev. I'll message you. Okay.
Dev.
Dev. Okay. I'll message you. So you will not be able to find me. You got my email ID, right? Username. Right?
Yeah. Okay. Play.
Yes, you can find me, right?
I can
Researching.
find you, but the problem is it is we have to download ideally and then make them play. That is the thing.
Okay. So that software Syed is, I don't know where he ran away. So he was
Yeah.
having some. Okay. So Anantar, meanwhile, we both can play and we can show them something, or like the other day, like
Okay.
you were doing. Yeah, the other day you were doing. You
Okay.
can, yeah, you can play and you can show the computers and they can actually tell the moves again. How to like which
Play.
move
Play. Let me click on play.
computer.
And, yeah, and searching. Okay. Now can you see the screen? My screen.
Yeah, I
Blitz
can see.
live chess. Okay. So who has to start now? and we have to click again.
Make it-
Anand
make
is
it of-
there. Anand Bhaktavatsala 800.
Yeah,
And
yeah, yeah.
opponent, who is opponent?
That day you played last
With the chess,
class.
with the
Yeah,
with the computer, with a
Mhm.
beginner.
Okay, so
Players.
can you do the same again?
Okay, somebody join now. I'll be playing. Okay.
Mhm.
Who wants to take the control? If they want to take the control, they can. Otherwise, we'll see next. Okay. Next, I will be playing this. Are you all seeing, kids?
Yes. Yes.
What shall I do now? Shall I kill or shall I go back?
Hello, Lochan, Trish.
Lochan and
You should go back. I think you should
Yeah,
go
I think you
back.
should go back because yeah, if your bishop
here,
is
here. Which place? Which square?
The last square. We did
I'll go here.
this one, that's one. Not that square.
Next, I will castle. Okay. I want to castle like this. This is called king side castling. King side castling. Do you know
No,
this?
don't put it over
I
the
think you
don't.
should castle.
Okay. Now the castling is over. Now I will move this one step ahead, so that he will not come here. Okay. Now what I will do? I will no, this is under threat. So this is under threat. Okay. So what we have to do now? We have to protect this. Am I right? So let me use this. Okay, now I am in a trouble. Okay, this is under trouble. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me do one thing. He'll kill it. I will also kill this. Did he play any move? Okay, he has come here. Let me protect this. Okay. Shall I move this? Okay, he has moved back. Okay. Okay. Now you guys tell me which shall I move this here?
I think you should move that over there.
I think you should move your pawn to kill the bishop
No,
because then
that is a good idea. He has gone back. Look, he has
Yes.
gone back.
Yes. I want to come here. I want to kill that guy.
Time is over.
Yeah.
We can look
Whose
for
time?
another game, right? Our time is gone. Like we have 15 seconds left, right?
Oh, okay.
Ah. So again, we need to look for half an hour game, right?
Oh, okay.
Game for the new game.
Okay, I think he's still playing. That is okay. And what shall we do now? We'll do one thing. Oh, okay. Block a black one because of the time. Oh, then we should go with a no time constraint. Okay. Green board. Let me charge it. Give me some time.
Teacher, why are you not sharing your screen?
He's just sharing the screen. His battery, laptop battery has gone down. He's sharing in 2 minutes. Okay, don't worry. Yeah. Welcome back, sir.
Laptop की बैटरी no, no channel. આજે આજે બી બે જણા છે છોકરાઓમાં. Let's go, let's go.
Yeah, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so I think this is okay. Now somebody you want to take the control, you can take the control. You can play on behalf of me. I am sharing the screen. Who wants to play? Krish, you can start playing now.
I want to play, I want to play, I want to play.
Yeah, play with the white. You are a white person. Now you can move.
Okay, but how can I move? I don't know how to move that.
Okay, so you have to from the mouse you have to do like this.
But I
Okay.
don't have mouse.
Okay, now you tell me what to do. I will what I will do that. Okay, which one I want you want me to play? I will move that.
How to search streams?
I'm sharing the screen. No, you are seeing the screen.
But how to move it? I want
Yeah.
to control it.
Okay,
But
you
how
want to control.
it?
Yeah, like this. Yeah, can you control this? Okay, I have given the control.
But I don't have mouse.
Yeah, Devendra.
Yes.
Yeah, can you try moving the one of the moves? Can you see if you can do that?
Uh,
White, any
I
white?
think
Hmm.
no, I can't.
You can't, huh?
Yes.
Okay. So then I will only play. Okay, fine.
Okay.
No, I don't want to play.
Yeah,
Okay.
next time.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. No. No. Trish. Trish, do one thing. Do you have laptop, right? Okay.
Okay,
Do you have
Wait, I have
someone
to
with?
tell my mom. Wait, I have
Okay.
to tell my mom.
Okay. Anand sir. Basically, we can. Okay. Okay. Wait.
Mama,
Wait. Wait. Don't shout. Wait.
Mama
Wait.
joined the vacation.
Okay.
Yeah.
So basically, Anand sir, yeah, if she, like, if he wants to play, then we can tell him to log into laptop and create his account so he can play with the computer, right? Directly.
Yes, yes, yes. But
Yeah. So this
he
is
wants
the,
to play.
yeah.
He wants to play like this. Which move shall I make?
No. Like, we can make him create an account on his account with the name of Trish. Then he can play with the computer. Like, we can guide him step by step which moves he need to play, right? So this
Yeah,
is
you
what
can.
I am saying.
Yeah, we can
Yeah,
tell.
yeah.
We can tell.
Yeah. So basically, he need to log in onto laptop, right? So he will have the biggest screen and he can share the screen. So if he is logged in from mobile, so it is of no use, right?
Yeah. Hi, Bhavika.
Yeah, hi.
Hey,
Hi.
your
I
son
will
is
make
so
him
active.
login from laptop, yeah.
Yeah. So sure, no problem. He's very active
I have
and
to
very
do right now,
interested.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I have to do
So
it right now, right?
yeah, you can actually in chess.com, you can make him to create an account and with the name so that we can play with instead of Jimmy, we can play with him. So you can create, you
Okay.
can log into chess.com and ask him to, and you can create an account for him.
Okay. Okay, fine. I will do it.
Okay, thank you. Oh, 4-player chess. Oh God.
Okay, Anand sir, can you click on play a friend again? Can you play?
Yeah.
Wait. Can
Yeah,
play a
I'm
friend?
increasing the minutes. Okay.
Okay, can you click on more? Increasing the minutes.
Yeah.
10. Okay, can you click
More
more? Yes.
45
Yeah,
minutes.
30. Okay. So can you click
Yes.
on play a friend? Play a friend. Play a friend.
Where is that option?
Yeah, it was there, but you clicked on play that. Can you
Okay.
go back one step behind? Lochan,
Play a
Lochan,
friend is
just
there. Play a friend is
yeah.
there. Username. I have to search now.
Yes. Username Dev Chess Champ. I'll message. Where is Lochan? He went away, right?
Yeah, I think.
Some
Yeah.
connectivity issue.
Yeah.
Wait, don't start playing. Didn't start playing.
Yeah. We are not. We are not playing. So we are just selecting the player. Okay. No players to challenge. I have selected, no, Devendra?
Yeah, but
It is not
I
coming.
don't know why it is not coming. Let it be.
Teacher, you are in laptop now. I'm playing on laptop.
Okay.
Okay, can you, okay, can you do one thing? Can you share your screen and download the same chess.com?
But I want to play. You are playing mines.
He can. I have opened chess.com. Now I
Okay,
need
so
to.
can you, no,
screen,
please
right?
share your screen. So share your screen first.
Yeah,
Wait.
let me stop it.
Okay, share
Okay,
your
I have
screen.
stopped it.
Then he can play like with computer, right, Anand sir?
Yeah.
Is the screen visible?
Not yet.
Not yet.
No, we can't see.
1 second.
Yeah, now it's visible. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Okay.
Chess.com play online. Okay. Now we will guide.
Okay.
Wait, let me put my Sathi ahead.
No, wait.
You should wait.
I want to play this game.
Okay. First you
Play
need
as
to
a
sign
guest.
up, right?
Play as a guest.
Play as
Play
a
as
guest.
a
Okay.
guest. Yeah, you
Let
can
it be.
change.
Okay,
Sorry.
go.
Sorry.
No worries. Go one step behind.
There is a browser back. You
Should
can go
move
back.
one step behind.
Yeah, browser back. One sec. Again back. Play. There is a play a friend. Play, and you can increase the minutes, number of minutes, to 20 or more. And the 10 minutes is there. You
I can
increase them.
see, but where to click?
Play a friend is there.
Play a friend.
Yeah,
Okay.
play. Yeah.
If someone is there with you, can
Teacher, what are you doing?
I am not doing.
we are not doing anything, buddy. You are sharing your screen, right? So is there anyone with you?
No, mom is gone.
So how we can help you?
I don't know.
Call
What
your
to
mom.
do
So
next?
that,
Lochan
that is
has
the
come
reason.
back. Lochan has come back.
Ask her to come back again.
Uh,
Hi Lochan, where are you?
No, I have to you.
My Wi-Fi got disconnected, so to read.
Okay.
Then
Lochan, can
Lochan,
you share your
can you
screen?
share share your screen, and if you can do it, it will be great, so that you two can play.
Yeah, Bhavika
So
here.
did-
Is everything? Yeah.
No,
He's able.
actually, yeah, he is able. He has
Wait.
that chess page open, but you need to guide her where he need to go, right? Like that page.
Mhm.
I will play with
Okay, so
computer.
click on okay, yes, please click on that.
Okay. I have clicked on.
Okay. Okay, wait.
Now
Wait,
which
don't do anything. Wait. Don't be in a hurry. We have 3 months, right? Click on cancel. Okay. Okay, click on cancel. Okay.
I have
Okay, now
played.
Anand sir, yeah. Okay, Anand sir, now he can play, right?
Yeah, you can play.
Okay, start. Yeah, play.
I have played.
Yeah, he also played.
So now
Now
play.
you can start playing.
So you are playing with computer now.
You have moved.
Now
So we are not
computer is
playing
moving.
computer is
Computer
playing
is
with
moving.
you.
I have killed him.
Okay.
But I'm not safe now. I have to go back.
Anand sir, after this game, let Lochan share the screen so he can also do the same which Trish is doing, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So we need to come out with the solution how to share the screen and play with the opponent. So in the next class we'll do so, right?
Can
Yes.
you see? Can you see I'm playing?
Yeah, I know
Yes.
that we are playing, we are appreciating,
Yeah.
we are applauding.
Yeah, we are actually we are able to see. That's good.
Who is playing?
Computer.
If you're not able to understand, please ask how to move and what is the next step. Right?
I'm able to understand.
Yeah, okay, yeah, I know that. Yeah.
You should always move the pawn to kill that horse. Okay.
Always have the minimum effort to kill the opponent's coin, right? If you are able to do that.
Yeah, kill from the pawn.
Now I have a chance to make king a check.
Now move the pawn to kill the queen.
But sorry.
Yeah, kill the queen. Kill the queen, not the pawn.
Now it is safe.
Now you are not safe. You have to move your rook or the to the black square. Yeah, there. Otherwise, you will be killed.
Oh my.
That's all. That's all. No, he has to move.
But I will be killed. He can also be killed.
Why you didn't kill the queen that time?
Sorry. Let me move. Sorry, I'm not the elephant. The horse.
No. Do one thing. Move the pawn one step ahead. The black pawn on the right side. Okay, on the right side. Yeah.
How can I move the black pawn?
No, white pawn. You are white, right?
Which? This? Or
No.
this?
No, not that. So what I am telling you this, I'll wait here. H2 is there, no? H2. In front of the horse, in front of the roof, there is one pawn is there that you move forward.
Okay,
Are
I
you,
will.
not that.
He has drawn back. I don't know why he has drawn back.
Hmm.
He wants to come here and kill my horse. But he cannot kill my horse. I think I should move the elephant. I can move the elephant or not.
If
Yeah,
you move the elephant, you will be killed. Don't move anywhere. What I am saying is H2
But
is there.
horse, I will move the horse because horse will be safe. Because I want to move this, he will kill me. It can kill me.
No, do one
And
thing.
I will
Listen-
kill him. I will
Listen to
kill
me.
him.
Listen to me first. Okay. First, you have to move the H2 pawn to one step. H2. 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 Where is H2? H2 pawn. H2 pawn.
This.
No, not that.
What has?
H is there, no?
Means
H means rook is there. Rook. Rook in the H. Last square, white square.
This.
And above that, there is a pawn. Next to that.
This.
Next to that, there is a pawn next to that. Right side. That pawn you move one step, only one step forward. Yeah, that is H2. Now it has gone to H3. Okay. You know why I am doing that?
I know.
Hmm.
I don't know.
Okay. Now what you have to do?
I have to kill it. No,
Yes.
because he will kill me, but the elephant can kill him.
Yeah.
Let's
Keep playing
move
like that.
on.
Keep playing like that.
Okay, I will keep playing like that. What I will do with the other pawns?
Who has to play now? White or black?
Me, white. I
Okay.
move the pawn over here or here. I think I should move over here. Any always. Oh, that is a good idea. What I should move now? What I should move now?
No, you should move horse. Your horse next to the king. Right side of the king is there, no? Horse is there.
That horse.
Yeah, that
When
horse you
I
move
move-
forward.
When I
No,
move here,
well,
here, or
yeah,
here.
here, next to the yeah, there.
Okay. Wait. Oh, he's gone back. Oh.
Now the same horse you move it here. You move
Which
it elsewhere. The same horse which you moved. The same horse.
When
You
I
move
move,
to the black
when I
square.
move-
To the black square forward.
okay, to the
Yeah.
black.
Yeah.
Here.
Yes.
When I come,
Now you move the what you have to do now? Next.
I don't know.
Yeah. So now you do one thing. Move the pawn which is in the C4. C4. Do you know which is C4?
C4. Yes.
No, no. Oh, wait. Don't do anything. Don't do anything. Don't do anything. So the horse is there. You move the horse to the white square to D5. Yeah, there, white square. Yes. To give the check.
Which white square?
Yeah, 5 is there. Yeah, white square is there. No, forward.
Forward over here?
No, not there. Not there. There is another white
Here?
square here. Yeah, not there. Backside. Backside of the
Here?
white square. Yeah, there.
Here.
Yes.
To kill the king.
Yeah. You got it? Why I asked you to do that?
Yes, I got it. Now what I should move?
I'll tell you.
What I should move? This? Over here? I think
Yeah.
I should not move over here. I think I should move over here. I move over here, the horse. I can move over here, the horse.
I'll tell you.
Tell me fast.
Yeah, move the horse to the black square. Not that horse, another horse. Yeah, to the black square, back side of the black square.
Over
Back-
here.
no,
Over
back
here.
side, back side.
Over here.
No. There, another black square is there. Left side.
Left side. This side.
Here. B4. Move the not there. Okay.
Now what should I do?
Now you have to move your what do you call?
You forgot it? I think I should move this. Okay. Now which square? Tell me.
Yeah, this side. Black square is there. B4. B4
Here?
is there. No? B4. Where is B?
B4. I don't know what is B4, D4, D4.
Okay. So where is B? A, B, C, D. Can you see the letters, alphabets? A, B is there. A, B, C, D.
Oh, B square over here.
Yeah, B4. Yes, that is B4.
Now what?
Wait. Now there is A5 pawn is there. A5 you move the A5 to A6. Pawn.
This.
Yeah. To one step forward. Yes. Now you kill this. Yeah, you kill that. Yes.
Now what?
Now what I will tell you. Now
Now what I have to do?
Yeah.
I should move the horse.
no.
This one?
I'll tell you what you have to do. I'll tell you. Okay. Now
The queen.
what you have to do is you have to move this pawn which is in the A6 to A7.
A7.
One step forward.
This one.
Yes.
One step forward.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Now wait. Don't do anything. Yeah. Now, what you have to do? Move that.
But he will not kill me because
Wait.
he
Don't
will
do.
kill him.
No. Don't wait for me. Okay. Listen to me. Now you move that B4 horse to white square. B4 to wait. C6. The
He's-
horse, not the horse which is in B4, move to C6.
Over here. Oh,
Where is
yeah.
C? Yeah, C6 in the front.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
No. Wait. Forward. C6 is there. No, where is C6? ABC. ABC 6. 6 is white square. Okay, no problem.
Now I should kill the elephant.
No, he has to play. No, wait for his turn. Oh, okay. Now you can. Yes, what you can do is you can kill the elephant from the pawn.
Now, oh no.
Wait. Don't do anything. Now wait for 1 minute. Wait for a minute, because you are bishop. The what is bishop? Bishop is nothing but camel. Camel will be killed. Okay, wait for a minute. So now what you have to do is you have to move.
I should press this.
No, wait. So you have to move your bishop. Okay, your bishop to the camel is there, no?
Yes, my camel is there.
Yeah, that camel, a white camel, not the black camel, white square camel. Move that camel to one step back. One step back.
Over here.
Yes. Yes. Now you do you do one thing. Now what you have to do is you have to move your pawn. Move your pawn to 8 and make it king. Move A7 pawn to A8 and get the queen. Yes. Yeah. Select the queen. Yes. Correct. Now no, don't do that. Why did you do that?
Sorry.
You have to place. Oh, no, wait. Don't do anything till I tell. Okay. You have to be patient. Okay. And now you move the queen, which is in C1 to B2. C1 to B2.
Me too.
Yeah. C1 to B2.
I know this. This is the B2. Or this is. These both are B2. Which B2 I press? The white one B2 or the
Queen.
black one B2?
Black square is B2.
Oh, bye.
Okay. Now move your
Which thing?
No,
Move
no,
your
wait.
pawn, yeah, move your castle, yeah, move your castle.
Now move your queen to b7. Move your queen to b7 next to the black king.
Oh, yeah.
White square. Next, one more step. Yeah, there, white square. Yes, check. Now what you have to do? You have to move one step forward to b8. Yes, check b8. Now he has to, now you can kill his queen. Kill his queen, black queen. Okay.
Now what?
Now what? Now what?
What now I have to do?
Yeah, you can you can do one thing. You can kill, yeah, pawn. Kill the pawn.
And then the elephant. Oh
Now,
my God.
now you do one thing. Go to, wait. Queen to white square. H7.
8, 7.
You have to move your queen to H7. H for horse. H7. Or you can kill. You can kill the black black rook, black elephant. Kill the black elephant.
But the queen, then the queen can be on danger.
Kill the black elephant.
Okay, I will kill it. Bye. Now you.
No, kill yeah, from there.
He has made the check. Now I have to move over here.
Yes. Now you bring the rook forward.
Rook.
Rook
I
is
forgot
elephant.
the names.
Rook
I
is
forgot-
nothing but elephant. Not that. There is
This
another
one?
elephant. Yeah.
Over here.
Not there. Not there. Not there. Not there.
Over here.
H7. H7. H7.
Over
Yes.
here.
Yes. I will tell you why. And now what you have to do? Move the queen to A7. Queen, your white queen.
White queen. 2.
Yeah. It's to A7. A7. A7.
Over
Yeah,
here.
A7. Yeah, 7 is there, no? 7 is written. Now A7.
Over here.
Yes, that is A7. Yeah, you won. Congratulations.
I want to play this game again.
Yeah, tomorrow next time. Okay, now we will give a chance to Lochan. Lochan, you want to play?
Yes.
Lochan, are you there?
Yeah.
Yeah, Lochan, can you play the chess.com? Can you open chess.com and can you play with online? I will teach you how to play if you want to.
It's not able to open for me.
Okay, shall we see in the next tomorrow or day after tomorrow?
Sure.
Okay, Friday, we shall meet on Friday.
Yeah.
Today is Tuesday, and then install your software and chess.com, and then we will guide you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. See you. Bye bye, both of you. And now you can keep practicing. both of
Bye.
you. Bye.
I'm going to play again after the class.
Yes. Please. Have a good day. Bye.